Atongoria a KUPPET marenda commission ya motungata ma urutani TSC yathe arimu aria makoragwo na ndwari na aria makiritie miaka 50 marutire wira wao mucii nginyagia riria riboti cia murimu wa COVID-19 thukuru-ini cigathira.
Sisi tunaomba ya kwamba wale ambao wameathirika sana, wana maugonjwa tofauti kama vile asthma, hypertension jinsi ambavyo tumetaja, walimu ambao wako wajawazito, they should be exempted. Pia azingatie kupatia walimu risk allowance.
KUPPET no irenda arutani maheo indo cia kumagitira riria me thukuru na iguru ri ogwo mongererwo njoherera mishara-ini yao tondu wa mogwati maria mamagumeire riria mararuta wira wao.
We are not employees of a lesser employer. Minet Health Insurer to immediately assume the responsibility of meeting treatment costs for the teachers who've been infected by the COVID pandemic.
Commissioner wa kaunti ya Busia erite aciari matige gukorwo na wagagu tondu mitaratara ya kung'ethanira na murimu wa COVID-19 thukuru-ini wa imwana wa Kolanya na iria ingi ciri kaunti-ini ya Busia ni miarire ni thirikari.
Yani tuko na kuogopa sisi watu around here. Kitu gani imeleta? Lakini tunaombea watoto wetu pamoja na walimu wetu, Mungu apate kutusaidia wakae salama, kwa sababu tuko karibu nao, pengine sisi naye tunaweza pata, lakini tunaomba Mungu ishinde hiyo ugonjwa.
Sisi kama wazazi tumeshtuka sana kupita kiasi, kwa vile idadi ya wanafunzi wanazidi kuongezeka.
Wale wanafunzi ambao wameathirika kule Kolanya wapelekwe in a different isolation center kama vile Alupe. Kusema ya kwamba wanabakishwa kwa shule kwa bweni tofauti, hiyo ni ku miss the point.
The Ministry of Health is actively involved. They have their team here who are managing those who have tested positive from inside the school here. And the government is doing everything possible to bring more testing kits so that those who had not been tested are tested in order to ascertain their status.
Thirikari enyitiriire ati thengia gutamba kwa murimu uyu thukuru-ini itiganite githomo gitikurugamio. Mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya githomo Belio Kipsang akenyitirira ati arutwo mari mucii me ugwati-ini gukira mari thukuru. President ni arikitie gwatha arutwo a irathi iria ingi citahingurite magacokereria githomo Januari ya mwaka turorete. Ngiributira Inooro TV, Njĩtagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.